Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Obviously I am a very small YouTuber and this video is therefore probably not going to be seen by anyone except you folks. And also I'm sorry for the microphone quality, but I'm working with what I got. But today I am looking at a new AI thumbnail generator from Pikera, I don't know, .co. And it looks pretty good so far. Now, one of the most important things about any YouTube video is a thumbnail. Because when you're scrolling through your YouTube feed, an eye-catching thumbnail is going to stand out, and you are more likely to notice and click on it. Now, I don't typically like AI-generated stuff because it has a very noticeable look to it, and you just look up any Facebook AI stuff and you'll see what I mean. But this one actually seems to be pretty high quality. Let's see, we got a Mystery of the Yeti and a dog. That looks good, looks good. Oh, wow. Secret. Wow, that actually looks like a, I don't know, promo trailer from Netflix. That looks impressive. Now, let's see how well it can follow prompts. Let's just start out with trying out a new thumbnail generator. And let's see. Okay, so it does seem to take a little bit of time, but given the quality of the demo thumbnails, it's perfectly worth it, I'd say. And also, my device that I'm using right now is like 8 years old, so it could very well be that as well. So, let's see. It's up. Ooh, okay, that looks good. Got vibrant colors, got the mouse pointer, got the guy in the corner there. That's always important. Okay, yeah, vibrant colors, definitely eye-catching. Now, the text in the corner there, I mean, it's blurry, so you can barely see it. It's a little distorted, but that's very, very common with any AI-generated stuff. It's just kind of the nature of the beast. But this, yeah, looks pretty good. And all right, let's try D-Day Invasion, The Untold Stories. Let's try that for a little, maybe YouTube documentary channel. Insert Jeopardy theme here. Okay. That looks okay. Now I will say the helmet looks like it's a little modern, the chin strap, but hey, I'm probably the only one that's going to notice that. It's again very good looking. Either that guns look a little weird, but again, that's just the nature of AI. But looks very good. This is much more realistic than any of the other thumbnail generators I've seen. All right, now let's try the ultimate test. It's a little more niche, so let's see how well it does. Surviving until Wave 35 solo in Roblox, Guts and Black Powder. Very little more, well, not a little more, a lot more niche, so let's see how it does with this. Now, I would say this would be very, very handy for video game thumbnails because it's not as because hyper realism isn't as important. This one covers hyper realistic imagery very, very well, which is not something. Oh, okay. I will say that is not Guts and Black Powder, but hey, it's Roblox, so that's close enough. Wave 35, yep. Big text, good thumbnail. Oh, sorry about that. Yeah, I'd say this looks pretty good. Definitely, absolutely usable. So I guess my final thoughts on this would be, yeah, just video game thumbnails, this would be fantastic for video game thumbnails, like Minecraft or, I don't know, Call of Duty, because text, little fine print text or hyper-realistic, I don't know, tanks or guns, it's not going to be as important in a video game thumbnail as it is, say, for something historical. But overall, I'm very impressed with this. Very realistic, very, very easy to use, accessible, and I think that's Definitely something you need in a thumbnail generator. All right, well, hope that was somewhat helpful. Tried to be as honest as I can without making it sound obviously too harsh, and I am impressed with it. So thank you for watching, and do with this what you will.